In the dynamic landscape of the cardboard industry, innovation is vital to meeting the evolving demands of packaging, transportation, and sustainability. EDDY Pump is a trailblazing solution poised to transform the cardboard industry. With a commitment to unparalleled efficiency, reduced environmental impact, and cutting-edge technology, EDDY Pump is redefining the standards of excellence within the industry. Explore the remarkable advancements and transformative potential that EDDY Pump brings to the forefront of the industry. Now let's delve into the critical applications of our slurry pumps within the intricate world of the cardboard industry. These applications are fundamental to ensuring efficient and effective fluid and solids management within the various stages of the production process. A slurry transport pump is the backbone of cardboard manufacturing, ensuring a continuous and efficient flow of wood pulp and other materials to create the paper pulp mixture. These pumps efficiently agitate and transport the pulp to ensure a consistent combination, a critical step in achieving uniform cardboard quality. In refining the pulp, a heavy-duty slurry pump assists in moving the pulp through screens that help remove impurities, debris, and unwanted materials. The pumps aid in maintaining a steady flow of pulp for effective screening and contribute to the overall quality of the final product. The industrial slurry pump applies coatings and dyes to the cardboard. These pumps facilitate the even distribution of layers and help ensure that the cardboard achieves the desired properties and appearance. Additionally, slurry pumps transport cardboard through drying stages, supporting efficient moisture removal. An abrasive handling pump breaks down and agitates the paper fibers in water in recycling cardboard and paper products. This forms a pulp slurry that can be processed into new cardboard products, contributing to the industry's sustainability efforts. A high solids pump is used to handle waste materials, such as excess pulp, water, and residues generated during various stages of production. Efficient waste management is crucial for maintaining a clean and safe working environment. The slurry transport pump assists in moving materials between different processing stages within the manufacturing facility. They ensure a continuous and controlled pulp and other materials flow, optimizing production efficiency. Slurry pumps transfer wastewater and effluents to treatment facilities after various processes. This helps manage environmental impact by ensuring water is adequately treated before discharge. The abrasive handling pump is used for cleaning and maintenance tasks, such as flushing out equipment, pipes, and tanks to prevent buildup and blockages that could hinder production. In summary, heavy-duty slurry pump is essential in this industry, facilitating the movement, mixing, and processing of materials at different stages of production. Their efficient operation contributes to the manufacturing process's quality, efficiency, and sustainability. Now, let's explore the applications of EDDY Pump's hydraulic dredging technology within the context of the cardboard industry. While hydraulic dredging may not have direct applications in the industry, it can indirectly support its operations by maintaining water sources, ensuring the availability of raw materials, and contributing to environmental sustainability. This industry often requires significant pulp preparation and water processing. Hydraulic dredging equipment can help maintain the water sources, such as rivers or ponds, that supply water for pulp production. Hydraulic dredgers can prevent sediment buildup, maintain water depth, and ensure a consistent and reliable water supply for the manufacturing process. Hydraulic dredging can remove sediments, pollutants, and organic matter from wastewater ponds or treatment facilities associated with the product's manufacturing. This helps maintain the effectiveness of wastewater treatment processes and prevents equipment clogging, contributing to environmental compliance and sustainability. Large volumes of raw materials, such as wood chips, may be transported to the manufacturing facilities via waterways. Hydraulic dredging can be employed to maintain shipping channels, ensuring that vessels can navigate and transport these materials efficiently to the production site. This industry may be situated near natural water bodies, and the responsible management of these water sources is crucial for ecological preservation. Hydraulic dredging equipment can help restore and enhance aquatic habitats by removing sediment, improving water quality, and promoting the overall health of marine ecosystems. If a manufacturing facility is located near water bodies, dredge pump systems can control erosion by stabilizing shorelines and preventing sediment buildup that could lead to increased erosion. The industry may invest in environmental restoration projects as part of broader sustainability efforts. Hydraulic dredging can play a role in these projects by restoring wetlands, removing invasive species, and improving water circulation and quality. While hydraulic dredging equipment is not directly applied to cardboard manufacturing processes, its applications in maintaining water sources, environmental stewardship, and waste management can indirectly support the efficient and sustainable operation of the industry. As the cardboard industry continues to evolve, EDDY Pump's slurry pumps and hydraulic dredging solutions showcase how innovation and responsible practices are redefining industry standards and propelling the sector into a new era of excellence, sustainability, and environmental responsibility. Get in touch today to redefine all your cardboard operations. EDDY Pump. We pump solids, not water.